We have more ways to connect than any generation in human history. We have dating apps, social media, and instant communication. Yet, modern relationships are failing at an alarming rate. Loneliness is at an all-time high, and staying together feels harder than ever. Why? Because we've been lied to about what love is supposed to look like. Today, we're stripping away the fairy tales and looking at the harsh truth of why modern romance is broken, and the one shift you need to make if you want yours to survive. The first harsh truth is what psychologists call the paradox of choice. In the past, you met someone in your neighborhood, your school, or your job, and you committed to making it work. Today, dating apps have turned human beings into a digital catalog. When your partner annoys you, which will happen, the modern brain doesn't think, how we fix this? It thinks, I can just swipe right tonight and find someone better. We treat people like smartphones. The moment there's a glitch, we want an upgrade. But here's the reality. Endless choice hasn't made us better at loving. It's just made us disposable. The second reason we're failing? Hyper-unrealistic expectations. We are constantly bombarded with the highlight reels of other couples. We see the expensive vacations, the perfect aesthetic, and the relationship goals videos. Subconsciously, we start expecting our real-world partners to behave like fictional characters or social media influencers. We want the passion of a movie, the stability of a 30-year marriage, and the excitement of a first date, all wrapped into one person all the time. But real love isn't a 15-second TikTok. Real love is boring sometimes. It's doing dishes, it's managing budgets, and it's seeing someone at their absolute worst. When the honeymoon phase fades, modern couples think the love is gone. In reality, that's just when the actual work begins. Let's talk about men and women specifically right now. There's a massive empathy gap growing between the sexes. We live in a culture of hyper-independence. We are taught, you don't need anyone. Protect your peace. Cut people off. So, instead of entering relationships asking, what can I build with this person? We enter asking, what can this person do for me? Men feel pressured to be everything, but feel unappreciated for what they do bring. Women feel exhausted by carrying the emotional weight and feel unseen. Because we're so guarded and afraid of getting hurt, we keep one foot out the door. But you cannot build a castle when you're afraid to lay down the first brick. So, how do you beat the statistics? How do you make a modern relationship actually last? It requires 3 countercultural steps. First, delete the grass is greener mentality. The grass isn't greener on the other side. It's greener where you water it. Commit to solving problems instead of looking for exits. Second, normalize the normal. Accept that a healthy relationship will have dry spells, arguments, and quiet days. Boredom is not a sign of failure. It's a sign of peace. Third, trade independence for interdependence. Stop trying to prove you don't need them. Vulnerability isn't weakness. It's the glue that holds 2 people together. Modern dating is a game designed to make us lose, but you don't have to play by its rules. If you find someone who is willing to choose you on the bad days, stop looking for perfection. You've already found something rare. What do you think is the biggest thing killing modern romance today? Let's talk about it in the comments. If this video gave you some perspective, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it with someone who needs to hear the harsh truth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.